Are your knees giving you trouble? The solution might be right in your kitchen. Today we reveal 10 powerful foods that help reduce knee pain and rebuild joint health naturally. Number 1, fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which directly reduce inflammation in your knee joints. Experts recommend eating fatty fish at least twice a week. Number 2, turmeric. The active compound curcumin blocks inflammatory pathways in the body. Add it to your meals or take it as a supplement daily. Number 3, leafy greens. Spinach and kale are rich in vitamin K and calcium, both essential for maintaining strong bones and healthy cartilage. Number 4, nuts and seeds. Walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide omega-3 and powerful antioxidants that protect your joints from daily wear and tear. Number 5, berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and cherries are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation and slow down cartilage breakdown. Number 6, olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural compound that works similarly to anti-inflammatory medications. Use it daily in your cooking. Number 7, garlic. Garlic contains diallyl disulfide, a compound that limits cartilage-damaging enzymes. Fresh garlic added to your meals can make a real difference. Number 8, avocado. Rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, avocados help reduce joint inflammation and protect cartilage from oxidative stress. Number 9, whole grains. High in fiber, whole grains help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Choose brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat over refined grains. Number 10, bone broth. Rich in collagen and gelatin, bone broth directly supports cartilage repair and reduces joint pain. Drink 1 cup daily for best results. Start adding these 10 foods to your diet today. Your knees will thank you. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more health tips every week. Always consult your doctor before making major dietary changes.